Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to update BIOS Acer Nitro 16. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Updating the BIOS on a Acer Nitro 16 is a dedicated process, so what you need to do first is head over and press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then the run will open and then type in msinfo32, then hit enter. Now once you are here, what you need to do is locate your BIOS version and then compare it with the latest version available on Acer's official website. Then next what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then here what you need to do is enter in Acer support. Then once you are there, head over to the website, then sign into your account, enter your Nitro 16 model number, navigate to the BIOS or firmware and download the latest version if it's newer than your current one. Extract a downloaded file to a known location, and that's basically what you can do. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.